Today I am reviewing the KTC UltraWide 49 in curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are a serious software programmer, a dedicated content creator, or a simulation gaming enthusiast who is completely tired of the clumsy physical visual borders of a dual-monitor desktop layout, the KTC 49-inch curved gaming monitor is an absolute revelation. Over the past few years, the monitor manufacturer KTC, acting both as a massive industry factory producer and under their own banner, has become famous for creating display hardware that leaves legacy brands behind on sheer value. With this specific model, the H49S66, they have built a dreamlike, ultra-premium peripheral designed to act as the ultimate control center for both high-productivity office tasks and bleeding-edge competitive gaming. It eliminates what designers call the bezel tax, replacing it with a single, magnificent, uninterrupted canvas that stretches across your entire desk setup. Let us take an in-depth, comprehensive look at the specific features that make this super ultra-wide monitor an absolute game-changer. We have to start with the staggering physical presence and sheer pixel real estate of this display, which features an extreme 32:9 aspect ratio. Spanning a massive 49 inches diagonally, this screen is mathematically equivalent to taking two 27-inch, 16:9 widescreen monitors and welding them seamlessly together right down the middle. It drives a pristine dual-quad high-definition resolution of 5120 by 1440 pixels, providing a crisp pixel density of nearly 109 pixels per inch. This means you get razor-sharp text clarity, incredibly fine line definition, and massive desktop real estate without any of the colored font fringing that plagues non-standard subpixel layouts. The monitor is smartly structured with a deep 1000R curvature rate, which beautifully matches the natural physiological field of the human eye. Rather than forcing you to constantly rotate your neck or shift your chair to see content placed at the extreme left or right borders, the 1000R curve keeps every single pixel at an almost completely equidistant viewing length from your eyes, radically reducing visual fatigue during marathon work or gaming sessions. While productivity users will fall in love with the expansive layout, the gaming performance built into this panel is targeting serious esports and simulation enthusiasts. The monitor pushes an exceptional 180 Hz refresh rate, tracking quick visual movements with absolute precision. When paired with its fast response time and built-in adaptive sync technology, it thoroughly shuts down screen tearing, input lag, and distracting ghosting artifacts during intense, fast-paced sequences. Whether you are flying through tight canyons in a flight simulator, taking tight corners in a racing rig, or managing chaotic battlefield map areas in a real-time strategy game, the fluid motion clarity provides a truly breathtaking level of tactical immersion. Underpinning these rapid frame rates is a robust vertical alignment, or VA panel, that delivers gorgeous image depth. It boasts an excellent static contrast ratio of 3000:1, producing deep, rich blacks and high-contrast visuals that leave standard IPS panels looking washed out by comparison. Color performance is equally stunning, delivering a wide color gamut area that covers 128% of the sRGB volume alongside professional-grade DCI P3 coverage. With a peak brightness level reaching up to 400 nits and factory-calibrated color tracking, your creative video editing tracks, graphic design templates, and cinematic media look remarkably true to life. It also includes Visa HDR 400 support, helping to pull hidden background details right out of the dark shadow regions of your favorite games and movies. Beyond pure display performance, KTC has engineered this unit to serve as a hyper-functional connectivity hub for multi-machine setups. It comes packed with a built-in keyboard, video, and mouse switch, or KVM, alongside picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes. This allows hardware power users to plug in a high-powered desktop tower and a working laptop simultaneously, controlling both independent machines using a single shared keyboard and mouse without ever needing to touch a cable. Powering your devices is incredibly clean thanks to a multifunctional USB Type-C port that delivers a massive 90 watts of power routing. This allows you to transfer high-definition video data, system control signals, and rapid laptop charging power all through a single, clean cable layout. The physical construction of the monitor is rounded out by a highly robust, ergonomic stand that offers clean tilt, smooth swivel, and a wide range of height adjustments, making it incredibly simple to dial in your perfect ergonomic comfort angles. It also sports a pair of clear, built-in 5-watt stereo speakers that handle system audio, background videos, and voice calls beautifully without crowding your desk with separate external speakers. Running on a platform backed fully by a responsive 12-hour customer support team and a comprehensive 3-year warranty, the KTC H49S66 stands out as a masterfully executed, high-performance, super-ultra-wide display that effortlessly transforms how you work and play.